You can use the Showcase folder in your Wixie Teacher account to collect and share your favorite student projects. To add a student project to your Showcase, click the Students tab at the top of the page. Choose the student who created the project, and then select the project you would like to add. To add the project to your Showcase, move the Showcase switch to the right. Repeat this process for any projects you would like to add. To view and share the projects in your Showcase, click the Home button. At the home page, select the Showcase folder and you will see all of the projects you have added. There is a URL for the Showcase at the top of the page. Copy and paste this URL into emails, a text message, or social media post to share. Use the play button below any project to show the project. There is also a play button to the right of the Showcase URL. This button will play all of the projects in your Showcase, one after another. The Showcase makes it easy to collect high-quality samples to show to students when you begin project work, or to showcase their work with the community at the end of a project or at open house.